Hello and what's up everyone. If your OnePlus Buds Pro 2 is facing microphone issues during calls where your voice sounds unclear at the other side, then stay with us because in this video we're going to show you how you can solve this problem. Just remember, sometimes this problem can happen because the network strength or signal is weak from where you or the other person is making or taking a call. Now, if that's not the issue in your case, what you can do before anything else, first make sure your Buds Pro 2 have enough charge on both the buds. To check the battery, bring the charging box closer to your phone, open the lid, and from the pop-up, you can check the battery status on both the buds. If your buds have ample charge and it's still got the problem, and also if your buds are paired to more than 2 devices around you, unpair or forget it from those devices. After that, repair or reconnect the Buds Pro 2 with the device of your choice. If you're still facing the microphone problem, now will be the best time to clean the buds and the charging box. Just take off the buds from its box and clean the ports and the buds with the brush or a piece of soft cloth, whatever is available to you. Important thing is clean it well, especially these microphone sections on both of your buds. After the cleaning, connect it with your device again and try to make a call. And if the microphone problem is still there, go ahead, hard reset your Buds Pro 2. For that, press and hold the setup button for at least 15 seconds. When you see blinking red light in the display lamp, release the button, and when it starts blinking white, that means the reset is complete. Now reconnect to your device again. Now what if this problem is still there? Last but not the least, if a firmware update is available for Buds Pro 2, you might go for that as well. To get the notification of an update, first you need to download and install an app called Hey Melody on your phone, available both on iOS and Android devices. After installation, connect it to your Buds Pro 2. Open the app, scroll down, and here tap on Firmware Update. If an update is available, go ahead, download and install it. And apart from all these, make sure while taking calls, if you're wearing your buds, it's selected to Bluetooth on your phone. After that, hopefully, if there's no serious hardware issue, the microphone problem on your Buds Pro 2 will be solved for good. So, which of this process actually solved your problem? Let us know in the comment section. We'll appreciate it. Thank you for watching.